The beard arm length rule is real, and it's one that you should live by before making any changes, decisions, or even routines when it comes to your beard. And the rule is actually pretty simple. It just says before doing any of those things, or really anything beard related, make sure that you are not closer than 1 arm length away. That arm length is the rule, whether you are getting ready to trim your beard or style your beard, or maybe you're deciding on a new shape or kind of goal for your beard, step back and be at least 1 arm length away. The reasoning is also pretty simple. Nobody talks to you or looks at your beard closer than an arm length away, other than maybe your spouse or partner in life. Everybody else sees you from a distance, and you are likely your own worst critic. I'll see guys getting ready to trim or getting real analytical and breaking down their beard, and they're up against the mirror like staring at each individual hair, and they're like, I have a flyaway. It's like, dude, I didn't even see it. What are you talking about? You are your own worst critic, especially when you're looking at it under a microscope. When you're looking at it way too closely, step back, and sometimes all that distance is what you need to fix the perceived problems that you have. And I do mean this. I really am conscious of this when I'm getting ready. I don't get in too close. Sometimes I'll catch myself when I'm trimming my mustache. I like to overlook it, and that just leads to problems. One of the biggest problems when you're trimming, especially something like a mustache, when you're looking in there real closely, okay, got this one. Shoot, now this one's off just a little bit. Oh, got this one. Shoot, now this one's off just a little bit. Before you know, you don't have a mustache. You don't have a beard anymore. I've talked about that time and time again. Do not chase perfection, right? Step back. Time will fix all, and you are likely the only one noticing it, especially when you're that close. Very easy rule, quick video. Let me gather my thoughts for 2 seconds, and then we'll come back for a conclusion. Get back from the mirror and stop being so hard on yourself. Yes, I'm talking to you. Your beard looks great. You're doing a really good job. And I saved it till the end. My name, you guys, is Dan C. Bearded. Nice to meet you if we've never met or interacted before. Please, if you guys enjoy beard content, learning how to style and the health side, all things beard related, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, you thought it was helpful, you thought it was entertaining, please hit a thumbs up. Now, I also need you to comment. I know I'm asking a lot for you, but I put a lot into this, and hopefully it is a symbiotic relationship where I'm helping you guys and you're also helping me. But with a comment down below, did you know this rule? Do you live by this rule, or is this something you are going to adopt starting now into the future? I would love to hear your perspective, your experience on this, really any thoughts at all. Thank you guys for watching today. Dan C. Bearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.